Hello guys, today we will start our new subject which is computer networks. The very first topic is what is a computer network. So guys, before discussing these things, I would like to tell you first thing, the computer network is a core subject of computer science or IT field. So whatever the examination you are preparing for, you will get question from this always. Okay guys. So this is the definition. I would like to first tell you the book you follow, you will get the different definition, but all the definition has the same meaning. So let's discuss this definition. Computer network is a set of computer devices or nodes which are connected by a media links or communication channels in order to sending or receiving the data. The computer, according to this, the computer network, what will be the computer network? It will be the set of or two or more computers, devices, or it can be a nodes. The word can be used anything, either use computer or device or nodes, or some book use system. So any word you can use. So a set of computers, devices, nodes or system which are connected by a media link. Media link can be wirelessly wired, anything, communication channel, same means media link, connected by a media link in order to sending or receiving the data. Why we are connecting computers? The first thing, we are connecting computers, the data which having the computer devices having the data. So these data, in order to share, if I want to share my data to other computer, so we have to make a connection. Okay guys, that's why we are creating a computer networks in order to share in order to sending, receiving or share the data. Okay guys, that's why we are making the computer network. Guys, clear? The first thing comes in mind, according to me, what is exactly a computer? If I use a word computer, the first thing comes in your mind, desktop, laptop, sometimes printers, maybe mobiles and anything else. No. You will get this picture comes in your mind. Computer means a desktop, a laptop, or printer, we can say, or mobile, and nothing more. You can. So first of all, I will discuss a node or computer or network can be a computer, laptop, printer, mobile, or especially I add these things, or anything, any device which has the sending or receiving data capability. The device which has the sending or receiving the data capability, which has the data and has the capability of sending or receiving the data, will be the part of computer networks, will be called as a computer or a device or a node or a system which has data and the sending or receiving or both capability. Okay guys, so don't think always the computer will be only the computer or laptop or printer or a mobile. It can be other device which has the capability of sending or receiving the data, which has the data and having the capability of sending or receiving the data. Okay guys, now there is an example. First of all, let's suppose there is a person who having the mobile and he wants to open any website. So just he type the website in the browser, he will open that application and type the website name. That website name goes to server. Before going to server, there are lots of processes, but we are skipping this. So before going to we just considering it goes to server. Server receive its request. He is opening his browser and entering the website name, suppose google.com. that this request goes to a server. Okay guys, the server checks, oh yes, we can give reply back to at the name of google.com. So it's reply back the google.com. It will open the google.com on its browser. Okay guys, so there is a connection between a mobile and a server. Okay guys, because he is sending the data, he is receiving the data, and after that he is sending the data, server sending the data, and this receiving the data. Though there is a connection. Okay, so these are the part of computer network. We can say there is a computer network. Clear guys? Let's suppose another example. There is a mobile and there is another mobile to a girl, or maybe they are boyfriend or girlfriend. So they want to chat each other, so they open their application like WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. So they are sending the message, she is receiving the sending, then again she is replying, he is receiving the message. Okay guys, so there is a computer network because the device connection between these devices has the capability of sending or receiving the data. Clear guys? So mobile to mobile, mobile to server, there is a computer network. After that, there is a special example for you. There is a mobile and it's a locker. A locker, you know, where you save, put anything special, luxurious, anything. So suppose there is a, in a country, there is a, we have lockers. Like when somebody opens without your permission, what happens? A message from the locker goes to mobile कि somebody has opened the locker or somebody have broken the locker. The message goes to him. So this has the capability of sending the data. He has the data. He sends the, it sends the data to the mobile. So there is a network. Okay guys, so especially I'm including this example because everybody, if somebody asks you what is a computer, so you always say the computer is a computer or desktop or printer or a laptop. No guys, that's why I'm taking a special example. That's this there is a network, computer network between locker and this mobile. They are creating a network because it's sending the data, it's receiving the data. Okay guys, so now there is a special example for you. A smart fan. We are having today the smart fan by using a mobile or remote. What we can do, just click the button and we can offer on the fan, or we can increase or decrease the speed of the fan. There are special smart lights. There are also smart lights, escalators moving. There senses your presence and open the gate, or some escalator starts. So they are the special examples which are there, special devices. I would say they are the special computers which has the capability of sending or receiving the data. It senses your presence. Okay guys, so it receives the data from your presence, and after that, according to you, it respond according to that. It starts or off or whatever. Okay guys, so that's why I'm taking this special example to clarify. Please don't ever just stop to at your definition meaning of the computer only the desktop, printer, laptop. No, there are lots of things which can be a part of this network or can be called as a computer. Always remember one thing: the computer is the device which has the data and sending and receiving the data capability. Okay, so that's why that will be the computers. Okay guys, so this is all about what is exactly the meaning of a computer network. Here is it. So for this you can follow the Frozen book, Tannenbaum, on other local author you can follow. It's up to you. So whatever the book you follow, please follow deeply. In the next video we will discuss the architecture or the model of the computer network. We will discuss what can be the devices we use and how we make the communication, but we will say each and everything. So we are going to discuss. So step by step we will discuss all the basic things which comes in first unit of the computer network. After that we will discuss the main devices like switches, routers, many things, and there will be other models like OSI model and TCP/IP. We will discuss further, but the main thing is we have to start with the introduction and we will discuss step by step. Okay, if you like the video and if this video is helping you, so please guys like and share this video and please follow this channel. Thank you.